Hello, I am playing. I forgot the name. White Noise Online. We couldn't connect to others because of the internet connection, so I'm playing with random people. If they started. Waiting for host. Waiting for the host. Host is waiting. Nightmare. Oh. They made a new one. It's Bunker 51. We're playing it on Nightmare. Nightmare is gonna be so much fun. But there's 4 of us, so it gives us a chance to kill off the others. Find all recorders. Hello, Meester. Oh crap, where's the others? Ah! Hey guys. Let's go venturing into the tunnels. What's this way? Computers, that way. Cool, computers. Green statue, don't look at it. Stay tactic. What? Someone wants me to join their party. I don't know if it's our leader or the guy who's behind us and dead probably. Ooh, water. Oh, the prison center. How pleasant. Pleasant. I don't like this. Where are you going? For here. I hear whispering. Shit. What? I saw it. Okay. How many people are supposed to be in this game? It's the open, isn't it? No. Oh no, there's a graveyard. I don't like this. I hear growling. Where I am, it's all windy. Too windy. Where are you running to, boy? Get back here. Well, I hear it growling. It's right behind me. Turning off my light. Not probably smart. It's right there. I'm screwed already. I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. Hey, we found something. Hey. Ah! Ah! Where's my people? Where's the people? I don't want to die. I don't want to die. No. Ah, he's trying to kill me. What is happening with this bug? I'm alive. What was with the fuzz? Whenever he's like looking at you, he'll put fuzz all over you, and then if you get that full, you die. Okay, I almost had a life-threatening situation. It was already life-threatening. This guy's wearing a very fancy suit. Or what it looks like to be a suit. Oh, it's a jacket. The shadow is so big, big shadow, turning around the shadow. Oh, I hear something. Wait, where's the lady? There's supposed to be a lady following us. Lady! Lady! Ah, we found the lady. Hello, lady.
This is probably a bad idea. Can I just hide in here? Let's look for the radio. Now survive. Fuck, I'm gonna hide. I don't care. I don't wanna. I'm just gonna let it take me. It's on a radio.
What? This is not what white noise is. It's not scary noises.
I think I passed by a bunch of radios. Pretty sure I did. One in the
I hear growling. Oh crap, where's the lady once again? Oh, I think I'm gonna die. Probably gonna die.
Aren't there noises or radios near?
Yeah. Oh, I hear. Ah! What are you doing? Where? Go this way. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Ah, turn around. Run. Where's all the people going? Is it gone? Is it gone, John? Ah, no, it's not. I don't want to die.
I like how your light focuses on it when you're near it. You don't pass by it.
These are beautiful trains. They're all pleasant.
Having your flashlight on bad is good. But if you have your flashlight off, something bad can happen.
Ah, we hear. Too fat, fat, scary.
I don't have a choice.
We're not dead yet.
I can hear it. It's like around me.
I hear people screaming.
Oh shit, statue. Okay, these statues are
Yay, we found 2.
God damn it. Got 3 radios.
We have 2. Her flashlight is pink. What's your color? Look at me, look. It's yellow. What's my flashlight color? I'm an angry man. Oh, it's growling. Why is it growling? Ah, pink flashlight.
Shit.
Ah, he's so fat.
Never look behind you.
Yeah. Is the girl dead?
There.
Don't put me behind.
I am so fucking screwed right now. That was good.
Stop flicking your flashlight. Oh.
Dead. Died? No, I'm dead. I thought you lived.
He's so fast. Do you see him? Do you see him? We go straight?
Become a ghost. Like, Resident Evil Outbreak. You turn it to something. Like, you can still see me, but I can't really do anything. Oh,
Where are you?
it's on a radio. Right in the graveyard.
Is that a turtle? Aw. It's a searchlight. Oh, don't you growl, he's near us. I'm going to eat your hair. Nom nom.
I'm screwed.
No doorknob. Oh crap.
Statue, and that's
No doorknob. Flickering light. Barricade.
That's me.
Flick. Ah, ba-doo. He's behind us. I'm angry man still. Is he behind? No. Go check, yellow flashlight man. Go check. Be brave. Be brave. Is he there? Scream.
What?
Oh god, he's there. I kicked something over.
I'm very lonesome. I crave attention.
I crave attention. Hello, Mr. Man, scary white turtle.
Just using a log pen, I find some really to pick up now. But mine for it's like black guys or white guys working at girl.
They're getting faster than me. Scream. Okay. It's clear. We're walking through a maze type thing. Scream. Jail? Oh no. Ah! What was that? What was that? What was that? What was that? What happened? Ah, white noise, you're trying to scare us like that. That's not scary. I barely screamed. I just jumped and screamed. Whoa, can you push these open? Nope. I don't know. How do you turn your flashlight off? Oh, never mind. Flicker, flicker. Oh, he's definitely near us. I hear him humming.
I just kill myself.
Hey, we found something.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with the statue.
Hello, sir.
Stare at the statue. Statue, I'm gonna stare at you. See what happens.
You'll die.
Stare at you.
You'll die. You're gonna die.
Oh shit.
Told you.
I don't really see the point of the statue.
The statues are to summon him, I think. Oh, not these again, the submarines. We all live on the yellow submarine. Except the submarines aren't yellow.
I sound very stupid for just talking about games. But what does it mean by screen? Like, how many times you're printing?
Fancy buttons. Is he behind? I have to end the video, so I have to go out in style by killing myself. I have to kill myself so I can end the video, but I have to go out in style. Mr. White Noise, show yourself. Show yourself. I'm a brave soldier. I'm brave. You can't scare me. Oh cool, they're following me. They're playing follow the leader with the suicidal man. This is not... What the... What the heck?
Where should we go now? This place? I'll be Wilma.
Ah, that was weird.
Are you ready to die?
Dun 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 dun. Ah, I got it. Ah, he's eating me. Goodbye, people.